So here's my Parkzone T-28, and I am converting it over into FPV. And I didn't have a lot of knowledge first getting into this, but I did read for weeks and just decided to get smart on FPV because I wanted to do it, and I wanted to make sure I did it right as much as possible. So far, so good. I got the camera working. It's operational. It's a Mobius camera. I got board cameras on the way. The first two cameras that came in needed a case for one, and one was dead on arrival. As I wait for that replacement and the cases to come in, I'm going to use the Mobius. This is not the 1080. This is a version, I do believe it's a version 2, number 16 Mobius camera. So it's been very good. It's got a great picture, no latency at this time, even on long range tests. But I'm not going to use goggles. Don't like goggles, to tell you the truth. I don't think the picture's as good as the screen, and definitely, I like seeing the big picture. We'll see how that works out. The video transmitter, it's got to go on that wing somewhere. I'm not sure where I'm going to place it at. I'm a little worried about the weight. So that needs to be positioned. Camera, I'm thinking about leaving it there just because I don't want to see the prop in the entire frame. So I think I'm going to leave it right there. We'll see. It's either going to go there or there. One or the other. And then my UHF antenna back here. So we got that ready to rock and roll. And then looking underneath the hood here, we got a spaghetti mess of wires. So I don't got anything hooked up right now besides the camera itself. Power for the OSD. It's a Cyclops OSD. So we'll be hooking that up. You got your UHF receiver from Dragon Link, so we'll be using that to hook up our servos and connecting it to our OSD. And then we have our GPS, which is going to reside somewhere out here away from our UHF and definitely away from our video transmitter. So GPS could be out on this wing, and then everything else is going to be left inside. So I got some soldering to do with connections. I got a Dean's on here and a EC3 on here, and then gotta look at where we're going to place all the ferrite clamps and rings, just to try to decrease any radio frequency. Other than that, she should fly very well. I should have it hooked up in a day or two. I will make another video. Still a little concerned about putting this antenna, the Cloverleaf Ultra, and this transmitter, which gets hot as it's transmitting. This is, I just don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do here. I don't know. Just some weight to it, so I want to keep it towards the fuselage. I don't want to get it out here with a lot of drag. I want to keep it in the open because I want to keep the air flowing over it. But I don't want it to cause interference with the rest of my stuff. So definitely this is going to be something to look at, but we'll figure it out. If you have any comments, suggestions on this build as I move forward, please don't hesitate to comment. Thanks.